Once a resident has provided notice to vacate, you should always offer them the clean sweep option. In this training module, we're going to walk through the steps in the clean sweep option and how it fits into the move-out workflow. First, let's look at some important documents. The most important document in the move-out process is the move-out guide. This acts as a sort of acknowledgement once a notice to vacate has been received. It gives helpful information such as the clean sweep offer, final payment information, information for a change of address, as well as other steps that are part of the move-out process. The document is 2 pages, of which the first page is the notice to vacate acknowledgement letter, while the second page provides helpful moving instructions. Note here that on the helpful moving instructions page, the clean sweep is mentioned. It gives the resident moving out the option to have us professionally clean their apartment and their carpet for a fixed cost. It also notes that damages are not included in this option. Damages will be assessed and applied to the final move-out statement. Now let's review the clean sweep acknowledgement. The form looks like this and is an electronic signature document within Entrata. Merge fields such as the residence, apartment number, and clean sweep fee appear here so that you can fill them in on the electronic signature document within the Entrata workflow. The clean sweep fee amount here is a custom merge field so that you can fill in the clean sweep fee amounts that are specific to your property. These amounts can be found on the turnover cost spreadsheet. The turnover cost spreadsheet looks like this, and the column here has the amounts that are specific to your site per each floor plan for the clean sweep amount. So for example, if you are living in an F floor plan at this site, your clean sweep fee would be $120. Therefore, when completing the clean sweep agreement within Entrata, you would enter the $120 in this workflow. Let's walk through the entire process in Entrata. For training purposes, we're going to use a model unit as our test. From the resident profile, navigate to the Documents tab. You're going to add document, which is an electronic signature document, and send the move-out guide. A new window will populate that allows you to fill in the merge fields. Be sure all the information listed is correct and enter the move-out date. Acknowledge and then generate. Always be sure to preview before generating. Once a document has generated, you have the option to email or print. If you close the window, notice the document is listed here under the Documents tab. And again, you can check it and download it or simply send it as an email. Once the resident has reviewed the move-out acknowledgement and they've opted in for the clean sweep, you'll then send them the clean sweep acknowledgement form. Choose Electronic Signature Document and then select Clean Sweep. The merge field window will populate, upon which you'll ensure all the information is correct. And then remember from earlier in the training, we discussed that the specific floor plan F was $120 for the clean sweep. You'll enter that information here. You can then acknowledge and generate, but again, always preview first. You again have the option to send an invitation to sign or print. Because this is an electronic signature document that requires the resident to sign and the manager to countersign, you can still email it for them to sign through their portal. Reviewing the clean sweep acknowledgement form, it appears like this. Notice the merge field filled in for the resident name, the apartment number, and here the amount was filled in as well. Navigating back to the resident profile, you'll also want to go back to the Financial tab and make sure that a manager or an assistant manager has added the charge of $120 for clean sweep. Make sure to use the fee-clean sweep charge code so that it properly shows up on your monthly financials. You can see here the charge code was entered with the memo of $120 for clean sweep, and the documents for move-out acknowledgement and clean sweep acknowledgement have all been generated.